Sumalang din ngayong araw sa pagdinig ng Kamara ang Committee on Basis Conversion, kung saan natalakay ang ilang mga panukalang batas na magpapalakas sa basis conversion sa bansa. Sa naging pagdinig, pangunahing tinalakay ng komite ang dalawang panukalang batas, ang House Bills No. 4490 at 4899 o ang Strengthening the Basis Conversion and Development Authority na inaamyendahan ang RA 7227 o ang Basis Conversion and Development Act of 1992. Dito iginiit ni Baguio Lone District Representative Mauricio Domogan na sa ilalim ng mga panukalang batas na ito na i-exclude ang Camp John Hay sa saklaw ng panukalang batas dahil sa hindi pa anya naayos na segregation survey ng Basis Conversion and Development Authority o BCDA sa 13 barangay sa nasabing lugar.
Condition number 14 specifically state that 13 barangays within the coverage of John Hay shall be segregated and removed from John Hay reservation because these areas had been occupied by people even before John Hay was proclaimed as a reservation. And in fairness to BCDA, I think it was in 1998, if my memory serves me right, it did appropriate 2.8 million to conduct the segregation survey. Unfortunately, it was not finished